How to download Squadbusters on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Squadbusters on your iPhone. So first, head over to your home screen and tap on the App Store. In the App Store, go to the search bar at the bottom and type in Squadbusters. You will see it pop up in the search results. Once you see it, tap on the game, then hit Get. You might need to confirm with your password or Face ID depending on your settings. Now, wait for it to download. It could take a minute or two depending on your connection. Once it's done, the button will change to open. Finally, just tap open and you're all set to start
Squad
playing Squad
Busters!
Busters. And that's it.
Squad
Simple as
Busters!
that. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.